Need to know how Twitch affiliates payout work? In this video right here, I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of Twitch affiliate payouts coming at you right now. Hey all, Wild coming at you from my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks to help you on your streaming adventure. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. There are a lot of streamers out there that are getting Twitch affiliate status, and if you're one of them, congratulations, you worked really hard to get to it. But a lot of people don't understand how the Twitch affiliate payout system works. And if you're new to the affiliate program, I'm going to give you the rundown on how it works, or if you're a veteran, I'm going to show you the ins and outs just so you have a better understanding of how Twitch affiliate payout works for you. When you become a Twitch affiliate, you get two revenue streams to earn from Twitch, one of those being bits and the other one being subs. When you reach enough bits and subs from all the people that are help supporting your channel, you can actually receive a payout from Twitch as long as you reach the minimum threshold of 100 USD. If you do not reach 100 USD within a given month, Twitch will roll over that payment into the next corresponding month until you actually meet that threshold required for a payout. Twitch payout periods work on net 60, which means Twitch will pay you out 60 days from the end of the month, which means revenue that was earned in June that meet the minimum requirement of over $100 will be paid out in August to you by the 30th or before. When considering payouts, make sure you pick the best option that is suited for you. There are a bunch of different types of payouts that you can choose from. Everything from PayPal to an e-check, all the way from a direct deposit ACH to a wire transfer. Pick what's ever best for you. If you need any help on that, I will put a link in the description below that will take you to the actual affiliate payout FAQ. I recommend taking a look at it because it'll help fill in the gaps on all of those blanks that you might be having for questions that you need answers to. One of the best notes I can give you when you're selecting your actual payout method, try to look for something that will have the lowest fees for you. That way you collect more of the revenue. If you don't have the option for what would be the lowest fees, go with what's ever going to be easily accessible for your account. Most people out there, it's probably going to be PayPal or a direct deposit to your bank account. If you ever have a problem receiving your Twitch affiliate payout, make sure to contact Twitch at twitch.tv/help, and there you can submit a claim ticket. I will also put a link in the description below so that way it'll take you right to it to help you guys out. If you guys have any more questions on Twitch affiliate payout, make sure to leave a comment below and I will do my best to either answer it or guide you in the correct direction to get your answer from Twitch. Hey, if you guys liked this video and it was very helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And ask me if there's anything that you need other help with on Twitch. I will do my best to answer any of your questions out there. If you guys want to help support me, make sure to follow me on all my social media. And if you want to go above and beyond, you can follow me on my Patreon. It does help me out a lot. I will see you guys in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care and peace.